morning, kids. Welcome to the busy farm. Our little truck is ready for a big day. Stretching wheels. Time to start. Let's go on our first task. Beautiful flowers on the way. First, collect hay for the animals. Careful, each bale fits perfectly. 1, 2, 3 hay bales ready. Time to feed the cows. Here you go, Mr. Cow. Yummy hay. Next stop. Fluffy sheep. Hello, little sheep. Enjoy your hay. Munch, munch, munch now. Chicken time. Feed for everyone. Look at them go. Next task. Watering plants. Fill the tank with fresh water. Carrots get a drink. Pumpkins growing big and strong. Healthy veggies everywhere. Time to deliver supplies. Seeds ready for planting. On the way to the barn. All seeds delivered safely. Great job today. Next stop. The farm shop. Fresh fruits for sale. Let's go to the shop. Fruits delivered. Horn says hello. Everyone comes to say hi. Up the hill we go. What a view. Downhill fun. Look at the ducks swimming. Quack, quack. Smell the flowers. Red, yellow, purple. So pretty. Careful on the bridge. Oranges, apples, and pears await. Pick them carefully. Ready for delivery. Delivering fruits to animals. Even the cow loves apples. Sheep enjoy fruits too. Scenic river view. A little boat waves hello. Windmill spins gently. Scarecrow watches the farm. Our truck is so hardworking. All hay delivered safely. Yay! Well done. Down the ramp carefully. Time to refresh. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Frogs join the fun. Gate opens smoothly. Veggies everywhere. Fresh carrot. Birds fly nearby. Resting under shade. What a friendly little truck. Time to check the field. So many crops growing tall. Gather stones for pathway. All set. Delivering stones now. Perfect arrangement. The sun is starting to set. Kids, truck brings more hay to the barn. All hay stacked neatly. Look at the birds flying by. Collecting the last fruits of the day. Fruits delivered for everyone. Goodbye, Scarecrow. See you tomorrow. Say hi to the ducks again. Our truck is so happy after a busy day. One last hill to climb before resting. What a view of the farm. Down the hill we go. Vegetables say good night. Giving plants a last drink. Good morning again. The farm wakes up. What a beautiful day to help our friends. Stretching wheels. Ready for a busy day. Look at the colorful flowers and butterflies. Time to collect fresh hay for the animals. Careful, each bale goes in perfectly. 1, 2, 3 hay bales collected. Let's feed the cows. Yummy hay for Mr. Cow. Next stop. Fluffy sheep. Munch, munch, munch. Time to feed the chickens. Yum, yum. Chickens happy. Time to water the vegetables. Sprinkle, sprinkle. All plants happy. Fresh and growing strong. One last task before evening. Seeds delivered safely. Thanks for all your hard work today. Good night, ducks. The windmill spins slowly. Truck takes a cozy rest. Good night, little truck. All friends are resting. Look at the stars shining above. The moon watches over the peaceful farm. Truck dreaming of all the fun adventures waiting for tomorrow.